We need to reinforce the plating around the main cannon.
Let's examine the turret ring schematics. The density is insufficient for sustained combat.
Agreed.
The crane, move it slowly. Clear on the left side. We need the next panel ready now. Looks good. Bring it down another foot. All right, she's seated. Start securing the mounts.
Diagnostic sequence initiated. Stand by for readout.
All parameters are green. Auxiliary power is stable.
Confirmed. Main console is fully operational.
That's secure.
Looks good. Let's get the next one.
Very good. The tension on this track segment seems slightly off spec.
We need to run diagnostics on the fire control system immediately.
Hitting the ramp now. Solid contact. Continuing on course to waypoint 3.
The penetration depth is exactly as modeled.
Agreed, but look at the stress patterns the laser picked up around the edges.
Interesting. Let's compare that to the previous trial.
Look at the abrasion on this link. The mud is packing too tight.
I'm seeing excessive torque spikes in the telemetry logs right at this point.
Scan complete. All systems green.
Confirmed. Ready for deployment.
Target locked. Command.
Fire when ready, gunner.
Integrating adaptive camouflage and next-generation composite armor, the Spectre redefines battlefield superiority.
Check the alignment on the turret mounting points. We need absolute precision here.
Already on it. Verifying now.
We did it! The finest tank ever built!
A toast to the Ares project.